We believe, and I think so many people believe, that they've really been mischaracterized, they've been misrepresented, they've been vilified in the media, and it's just important to get the attention off of them, and so that we can refocus on finding Caylee. They came to us because they realized this had become a three-ring circus, and they were one of the rings in that circus. And they very much want the insanity to stop. Anybody who has met them and spends time with them knows they're just loving, wonderful people whose sole and singular mission in life is to find their granddaughter. They need guidance, first of all. They need somebody to explain. It's been asked, why do they need a criminal lawyer? Well, I mean, we do lots of other than criminal, but we are well known for our criminal cases. But what does anybody expect them to hire? A real estate lawyer? A probate lawyer? Of course they need a criminal lawyer who knows the system. And to explain the system, I mean, in 28 years of doing this, and you can talk to people who are in law enforcement and the media, nobody's seen a case like this. And so there's twists and turns on a daily basis, and they need somebody to help assist what's going on, what the process is, how they fit in the process, and take it from there. Imagine that there was no investigation, and all this was going on in anybody's household, that the reporters are on the lawn, protesters are on the lawn, you can't get in and out of your driveway, there's people chanting with the most 3-year-old children with posters about death. Now tell me, who is equipped to handle that? Who wouldn't spray a reporter? Now, you take that vanilla scenario and you compound it with your daughter facing prison time, people suggesting that your daughter killed your granddaughter, and more importantly, that your granddaughter is gone. Now tell me, where is the rule book as to how you're supposed to act in that scenario? I think that in 28 years of doing this, I have never seen a circus like this. I have never seen a family pressured like this. These are people whose world 90 days or so ago imploded on them. Their daughter is looking at the possibility of tremendous prison time. And more importantly, their beloved granddaughter is just gone. Just gone. Their beloved granddaughter, Caylee, still might be with us. And other people say they're in denial. So what? Whose business is it? Whoever you deem your maker to be, whoever you deem your creator to be, we've all got this wonderful thing called denial. It keeps us going. It gives us hope when nobody else has hope. And it's one of the stages of grief. So they're going through what they need to go through. And if Caylee is still with us, then they're the ones that have kept hope alive. And if the worst has possibly happened, then who are we to criticize how somebody else processes or grieves or deals with a loss? And I think we've gotten consumed with making them media personalities rather than understanding that these are just grandparents. I would challenge anybody, and God forbid for the challenge, because that means somebody would have to walk in their shoes, and God forbid anybody would have to walk in their shoes. But unless somebody has walked in those shoes and is facing a daughter going away to prison and a grandchild who is gone, people respectfully just need to shut up and not judge and bless.